Get strong.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this DIY mod video, I'm going to show you a very simple mod that I did on my car, and it has not only made my car look more appealing, but it's going to bring a smile on everyone who's going to enter in your car. And also it's going to save the side of your doors from the scuff marks of the shoes, sometimes heels, or any of the other substance. So without wasting any time, let's first look at how it looks, and then I'm going to give you the details of how you can get the product for yourself and also how you can install them. So let's check it out. Alright, so when we open the box, we have two of our lights for the back, left and right, and two for the front. And then if you look at them right now, you have this socket which goes inside one of these ones over here in the harness. And then if you'll see very closely, this is the plug which you'll have to use to make the connections. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and install these guys. I want to talk about one very important thing before we start the installation, is that when you open the harness, make sure that this plug, this will go near the fuse box under the driver's seat. So this is always towards the driver's seat, and then you can follow along and make sure that the smaller side over here, this goes towards the driver's side. Alright, so that is the only thing which you need to remember. Alright, so right now I'm going to be installing the rear right door plate. One thing you need to make sure that you clean the surface with an alcohol wipe or something, so that there is no grease or dust left. Even though they look clean, but trust me, they are definitely not clean. You also need to make sure that you follow symmetry before you install these plates, because it's very important that both of them on the opposite doors are placed at this exact same position. So utilize a marker or a pen or scale or tape or something to make sure they fit right. I'm going to make sure that I place this plate right in the center, just exactly above this. Don't push it inside, otherwise it's going to be installed on the slope. You need to just make sure it fits perfectly, it sits perfectly fine. So I'll just place it a bit ahead, and then I'm going to use a pen or something just to mark this place. So this is going to give me a reference point, and then I'm using this makeshift marker. This is a wire, just to twist it right at the installation point so that I can use the same reference when I go that side. I'm going to be installing all the plates first, and then I'll do the wiring. But if you want to start with the wiring before installing the plates, what I would suggest is, because they're gonna be this small hanging wire, just pull this up. We use the brute force, it's gonna come out. It's not very tightly packed, and then you will have to take out the seal from the door so that this can be installed properly and the wires can slide in. You can also use these small grooves over here as marking if you want to do the installation without the small marker over here. so you will have some reference points. Let me also give you a summary of the installation. So you need to make sure that the two short lengths of the wire are on one side of the car, and then if you look here closely, this part, this is the place where you need to put the plug in. It will be available for you. You don't have to make any modifications. This is right below your steering and driver console. And then what I did is that I passed the wire through this space over here so that, you know, it doesn't look clumsy. You can also pass it below your carpet. And let's go to the other side. So, you know, it's all hidden. It looks very, very clean, but there's wire coming in from above this plastic over here. And then I pulled the wire, you know, from this part behind this plastic covering, and then I took off this seal over here. Then, you know, it just goes through this door, and then it goes through this cover. You don't have to take it out. You can just push the wire through. Just do it carefully and it will be very easy to fetch it on the other side. So yeah, let me wait for sun to go down and then I'll show you how it looks in the dark. I'm really excited. So I've taken off the sticker from this plate, and this is very high quality, guys. It looks very, very good. It has this steel finish. I'm pretty sure it's not actual steel plate, but then it's very, very good. So you won't be disappointed. I'm really excited to show it to my friends. Guys, another thing which I want to point out, it's very, I'm not sure if it's visible, but I hope you can understand. You see, all the letters are embossed. So if you slide your finger, you'll feel that all the letters are embossed. So, you know, this is very, very neatly done. So this mod will not only save all the scuff marks on the side of your door, but it's gonna look very sleek. So wasn't this cool, guys? I hope you all loved it and you will do the same in your rides as well. Please let me know your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Find the link of the product in the description, and please always keep your love flowing. Peace out. Take care, guys. See you all in the next video.